how to lighten your underarms and make them soft and silky. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll share with you a remedy for lightening underarms, and it will also make them soft. Let's start with it. Take a medium-sized potato. Potato has skin lightening properties that naturally lighten the skin due to the high amounts of vitamin C it contains. Grate the potato using a grater and then extract its juice. Then add 2 teaspoons of gram flour to it. Gram flour has skin lightening properties and takes off impurities from the skin and makes it look bright and glowing. Mix it very well to form a smooth paste. The paste should look like this, as you can see the consistency. This mask will help lighten and remove the dead and rough skin. Regular use of it will make your underarms lighter and make it soft and silky. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Then wipe it off with a wet wipe. Doing it at least once a week will lighten your underarms, make your underarm skin soft and glowing. I hope you like this remedy. Share it with your friends. Thank you.